Model T to check out here at Unique Classic Cars. This one's a 1927 Model T pickup conversion. Of course, back in the late 20s, early 30s, obviously everybody knows what was going on then, and a lot of these were utilitarian type vehicles, and a lot were converted, some even converted into tractors. This particular one pickup, as you can see, we're going to start it up here in a bit, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Two-tone paint scheme with the dark green and black. Of course, originally crank starts down in the front. This particular one does have a electric start, push button start, runs off a battery. Battery's located behind the seat, kind of down below the bed, right underneath that removable panel right there, black vinyl bench seat. Now, still pictures. You'll be able to see the still pictures so you can check out the engine bay, undersides, every angle of this vehicle. And the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Kind of a cool tailgate setup on this one, hinged as you can see. Remove this rod from the top. You can lower that tailgate. Be a fun vehicle for parades. Just taking out your local roll-ins and cruise-ins. The wire wheels, side-mounted spare. Of course, I'm going to climb in from the passenger side when I start this up. And again, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see all those still pictures. All right, as you can see, paint, it has a nice shine to it. Is it perfect? No. You may find a little nick or a chip here or there. But you know what? That kind of goes along with the older style Model T that, you know what? They weren't perfect. They were used. Like I said, they're utilitarian vehicles. And to me, it kind of goes along with that era of vehicle. All right, so, of course, choke here. We're going to turn this key to the left to battery. And, of course, you have your three pedals, brake on the right, reverse in the middle, and then clutch or engaging it to go forward on the very left. And the speed's over there, more or less, in a nutshell. Also have throttle on this side, timing on that side. Put this up a little bit. Throttle's probably about right. Push button to start. Right down here in the floor. So let's go ahead. We got the key on. Push the brake in for now. Crank this over. Lower that timing a little bit. It'll smooth out. Turn the throttle down just a little bit. So now you can kind of see where I have them running at. We're going to let off on the brake here, and hopefully it doesn't take off and run over George in front of us. All right. So we're letting right on the neutral. Do a little peek at the inline four cylinder here. Here's that gas shut off. Up and down is on. Turn it to the, so it would be horizontal. It would be off. Pretty cool. Give you an idea how it sounds, how it runs. Like I said, it'd be a fun one. 1927 Model T pickup. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all those still pictures. First, you can call us to discuss transportation. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We look forward to hearing from you on this one.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.